Alright guys, I feel like this morning has been nothing but terrible. I really wanted to be like, good morning guys. I'm really excited for my Pilates class. I need to get out of here without worrying about this. I'm blocking the bike lane. I look like a dumbass. Alright, sorry guys, I had to get into it. Ariana Grande, best way to start off the morning. I'm heading to Pilates. It has been such a hectic morning this morning, but I'm trying to just keep a positive mindset, not get irritated, because that's what I was all day yesterday. And then I just don't like being in a negative headspace, you know? But we are about 6 minutes away from my Pilates place. Nobody knows how to fucking drive any. I mean, I want to be positive. Switch up is crazy, like giving you guys whiplash. Okay guys, I just got here. I'm about to go in so I can start stretching, getting warmed up for the class. But anyways, I will talk to you guys after the class. Good. Last of the first stay low, go down and curl up. Good. You want to feel that deepening of our core. Bringing them up nice, straight, even straight, slide forward, straight leg takes forward towards the wall. The only thing I know is about your posture with this. Okay guys, I just finished my class. It is 10:01. It is so hot in New York right now. It's gonna get up to 81 today. I mean 91. I'm gonna go get an iced tea. Okay. The lady was so sweet. So today I got lychee rose. Normally I get citrus green. I normally get citrus green, but I love lychee, so this is so good. I'm going to go in and get a salad, and so I can get my protein in, all my veggies in, all of that, because like I said, we're having Chick-fil-A tonight. 0 veggies in that order. Oh, thank you. Hi, can I do a create your own bowl? Can I have arugula and the herbs quinoa? Double sweet potato, cucumbers. Can I do double chickpeas and the carrots? Can I do the roasted chicken? And then can I do a scoop of the goat cheese, lime, and then can I do the lime, cilantro, jalapeno vinaigrette? So we got the goods. I'm gonna eat it when I go back home just because it's gonna be a quick Whole Foods trip. So what I need from Whole Foods, I need frozen raspberries, water, these little crepe things. And I think that's it, honestly. Like, let's go to Whole Foods.
Use pin pad to complete.
We're heading home. I'm going to eat my salad, pack, and eat and relax and chill until we have to go, because we have to leave in 4 hours. But we have time. Like, I'm not worried about it. I finished my tea, you guys. When I'm telling you, drink your tea, it will get you so hydrated. Time to eat! essentially what I'm doing is feeding my plants because normal water isn't enough for them. So this has a bunch of, you don't do this every single time. Honestly, I've seen a difference. Like our huge plant over there was kind of struggling, but she's perked up so much, it's crazy. Okay guys, so I finally finished packing and cleaning up. I just need to take the trash out. I'm gonna take the trash and recycling out, and then I'm gonna go shower, but I'm going to get back to you guys when I'm done all of that. I'll see you guys once I'm all ready to go. I need to get Blue in her little carrier. She gets so upset at me. I mean, rightfully so. We're going on a road trip. She's gonna be so excited once we get there. She absolutely loves being with my other cat. Not you seeing us. We packed all of her essentials. We have her string. We have a catnip ball. It's a little bit of a fight, especially to do alone, so you'll be so happy once you're there. Okay, we have to move fast because I do not like to keep her in here. Say hi to everyone. Okay, Blue is not ready to go. We gotta go. She's like, you better hurry it up. She does not stay in the carrier the whole time because she will lose her mind. We just do it so she's safe to and from the car. Guys, I'm now gonna drive to Ian's work. Blue kind of does this. She'll either come up and say hi to us or sleep in the back. We also have a litter box in the back for her. We have a litter box, we have water, we have food. We got it all. So it's going to take us 5.5 hours. So it's gonna be 5.5 hours with a little baby. Honestly, this should be a video within itself. Traveling with my cat for 5.5 hours. She's very used to it. She's been doing this since she was a kitten. Like I said, we literally have a litter box in the back. That's her. Look at the pretty litter. She does use it. Loves big trucks, parkour, and big squirrels. That's Blue's description. She's smacking her lips. Okay guys, so we've been driving for a while now. We still have 3 hours and 49 minutes to go. We're gonna stop at Chick-fil-A like I said earlier, and I'm so excited. By the way, Ian's in the car. Say hi. Hi. Also, there's supposed to be a thunderstorm tonight. I cannot stand thunderstorms, especially when I'm driving. It makes me really nervous. Okay. Blue decided to pay us a visit. Okay, this lighting does not want to focus. It is storming bad now. Like, this has happened like a couple times. This is insanely bad. Like, I have my flashes on. You probably can't hear me. So it stormed so bad when I was driving. Like, it was so stressful. Like, the lightning hit the ground. Like, it's now clear as day now. So sunny. I felt bad because Blue was so scared, especially when we were at the Chick-fil-A drive-thru, because she was just so confused and it was really stressful. Oh, we're gonna get back on the road. I'll update you guys in a little bit.